Welcome to the video. Project code ITPHP03 and project title The Impact of R&D and Investments on Eco Innovation, Cross Cultural Perspective of Green Technology Management. Okay. Mm, Abstract it handles the environment management system. It uses to handle the air quality and water quality index, and it handles the identifies environment performance index. It shows the Oldfield's diverse point in which handles the environment ecosystem. These are the basics of the environment management system, and it also shows speculation in the government ventures to handle the environment in a performance index based on the environment performance index. This is to used to sustainable global development and eco development. It's possibly helps to handle the eco development. This project is handle the environment management system for based on some factors, handling the air quality, water quality, and some more other factors like that. And the existing system, in this existing system, it handles the based on performance index. It handles only in an European Union like that. It handles particular countries. So we going to handle in a many in an Indian cities like that, in a proposed system. In Identify the environment performance index. It handles in air quality, water quality, and sterilization, Fe metals and biodiversity, territory and woodlands, fishes, atmosphere energy, air contamination, and water assets. The basic qualities to identify in existing concepts. We don't use in a proposed system in it's like we identify in a simpler way. We can calculate the environment performance index. Okay. In existing, it is not in a clear basis. It's only for an European Union. It is not implemented in very well. So we're going to implement in a better way with the user interface. And proposed system is based on a eco development analysis for Indian cities, air quality and water sterilization, heavy metals, same water assets and farming. It's based on environment management system. It helps to identify environment performance index. In proposed system, it analyzes optimally, which can optimally identify the environment performance index, and it helps to identify the Indian cities EPI, which is not calculated in a good way. So we could find the air quality index and water quality index. AQI is air quality index, and water quality index is based on air quality index is AQI. AQI is air quality index. Air, okay, it's a air quality quality index. Air quality index. It is calculated by it's a formula. It is having a formula by air quality index AQI of lower higher value. Sorry, higher value minus air quality of lower value, lower, divided by, sorry, greater greater block in AQI, greater AQI and lower AQI. Okay. And with multiplication into concentration of air, concentration minus the low quality air, the same AQI low. Okay, plus we handle the AQI lower value. Okay, this is the AQI formula. It's used to identify AQI, and we have WQI. WQI is water quality index. Water quality index is used to identify by uh, some factors like chlorophyll checking, and these are the basic water quality index checking, and that's all. Proposed in existing system, you they use a Hofstadter scale. In proposed system, we use based on AQI and WQI methods, which is simpler and efficiently to use. Um, and this is the architecture diagram. The project is based on admin and user. Admin handles the data in the water quality index and used to handle the registration and login. And data air quality index is calculated in this section. This is air quality index, and this is water quality index. The based on the both, we calculate the EPI. EPI is the environment performance index, and it we stores in a database. This is the basic functionality in the architecture. That's all in architecture. It used to identify the environment performance index, and it used to identify AQA of and AQA and WQA of Indian cities. Okay, future enhancement, it can be implemented in world data. You can analyze the whole world data. It can be implemented in a future enhancement. Used in a simpler way, it can handle an Indian cities data. It can implement with an IoT based in future enhancement, so we can use it in IoT also. In software technologies, we use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and jQuery. HTML is used as a layout in a web page, and CSS is based on designing in a web page. Bootstrap is like an CSS advanced. It's like a template for CSS, already done CSS. Okay, JavaScript is used to handle the functions in the front end, and jQuery is also similar to JavaScript. Okay, in backend we use PHP, MySQL, Notepad, and Exam. Sorry, Notepad is an software tools. Notepad and Exam for software tools. PHP is server-side language, and MySQL is database. MySQL is database, and Notepad is handle the text editor. We can write code in the Notepad. Example uses a server which can handle the web page frequently. These are the software technologies. Hardware, we use Pentium, so Intercore, or anything we can use. It's a basic performance asked. And RAM, we use 4 GB RAM, and monitor we use 15-inch color monitor. Hard disk we use 40 GB. That's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you.